Before the Olympians came into power, there was another group called the Titans. The king of the Titans, his name was Cronus, and his wife Rhea was the queen of the Titans. Now, when Cronus overthrew his father Uranus and took control of the Titans, he was told by his father Uranus that when his children grew up, they would become stronger than him and be able to overthrow him as well. Now, Cronus did not like this idea. He got a little paranoid and was extremely worried to have children. Therefore, when Rhea gave birth to their children later on, Cronus decided that he would eat them in order to keep them from being able to become powerful enough to overthrow him. Rhea was not overall pleased with this situation. She wanted to raise her children, and therefore, when she gave birth to her sixth child, Zeus, she left him on an island in the care of someone else and came back and gave Cronus a rock wrapped in a blanket and told him that that was their child, and he ate the rock. Now, Zeus eventually grew up and was eventually told about his father and what had happened. So Zeus decided to take matters into his own hands and go and confront his dad. When he did so, there was a big fight. Zeus ended up kicking Cronus in the stomach, and Cronus immediately threw up the other 5 children. This was an interesting fight. When Cronus threw up the other 5 children, they came out fully grown with weapons, because since they were immortal, they obviously wouldn't be killed by being swallowed. So ultimately, the Olympians did overthrow Cronus and were able to take control of Mount Olympus. Zeus, Hades, and Poseidon were the 3 main sons, and they each got to take control of their own domain. Poseidon chose the sea, Hades chose the underworld, and Zeus chose the sky, or heaven as we would call it. Hades was not overly pleased with this arrangement because he felt he should have been the main god since he was the oldest, but Zeus had been the one to overthrow Cronus, so it was kind of a hard sell for anyone to take his side in this argument, so Hades ended up with the underworld.